Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a huge SHEIN false nail haul. I have so many of them to show you guys. I got a little bit of everything. If you guys have never tried false nails from SHEIN, you're missing out. You're definitely gonna save a lot of money getting these, especially in this economy with a lot of things that are going on right now. You guys definitely need to try SHEIN nails. They are so good and they're very affordable. Most of these are like $2 or under $3. Tried SHEIN nails before multiple times and they're really great quality. They don't break, they're really sturdy, and they stay on your nails. They last about, I would say, 3 to 4 weeks depending how rough you are, because I can be really rough and usually after like 3 weeks I have to change them up. But I think that is a fairly long time to stay on your nails and it to last that long. This video is in collaboration with SHEIN, so a big thank you to them for sending all these pieces to me. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm going to show you, just know I will have it linked in the description box and also in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm just going to pick whatever comes out of this bag. First off, I got this right here. This one is called the short oval 576 piece nails. You get 24 different style nails and I just love them. I did get them in the short style because I prefer short style nails, especially with my 6-year-old. I could be very clumsy sometimes and kind of like a savage with my hands. This was $11.36, but you get 20 different style of nails, guys, so you can pick whatever you want. I like the fact that it comes in this container and you open it like this and you have all the nails right here where you can pick from. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm like throwing them in different compartments, but here's one of them. So it has like the starfish. This one is floral. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. I think that way you guys can see a lot better. There's this one. They even have like 3D ones. There's just so many. I'm gonna show you guys close up, but yeah, I really thought this was really nice and fun and it will save you so much, guys. I'm telling you, you need to try SHEIN nails. If you haven't, you definitely are missing out. On to this right here. So got this, which is 420 pieces of transparent, it's clear almond medium size nails. It is only $2.96. This is such a great buy. Again, it comes in this package right here where it keeps everything inside, and it does have like different sizes, but you have so many. You can do these so many times with different colors. You can paint over it. I really love this. I haven't done it in a while, but I need to do my nails because I haven't done my nails in a long time, and whenever I do my nails, I do them myself. I don't get them done because I just think they're overpriced. This is amazing. Great bargain. I'm looking forward to wearing these. They are so pretty. These, they call it the Transform Your Nails 30 piece in the color white nails. This is $2.16 and they're just really beautiful. It has like that iridescent look to it. And I just think this is like really pretty, like French tip, but it has like more of a iridescent shine to it. I love it. On to this right here. I did get 4 different colors of these false nails. They come together. It's 96 pieces, 4 colors, long almonds, almond shape. It's $2.40 and I really love it. Again, I really love and appreciate the fact that it comes in this little container. You get this really beautiful like nudie color, this more chocolatey brown, this dark brown, and this gorgeous like burgundy color. It is stunning. 4 different styles for $2. Like, you cannot beat that. Next off is this right here. So this one is $1.52 and it is a almond shape. The leopard print with like gold and also brown nails. I just love this so much. I just think this is perfect, of course, for the fall time, and I love leopard print. Onto these right here. These are very much trending. The cow print is definitely trending. There's 24 pieces. It's called the short almond shaped nails. It is $1.52 and I absolutely love these. I've been really loving like French tip style prints. This I am debating on wearing for Christmas because it looks so beautiful. You get 24 of these short oval cute bow nails. It is $1.70 and I just think these are so cute, like very dainty, delicate, really cute print with the bows. And I just think these are really beautiful for Christmas. So I'm thinking most likely I'm gonna wear them for Christmas. On to these. I forgot that I got these. So I have this in the more brownie color, and then this is more of like the rosy burgundy color. So this one they have, so there's 98 pieces of this long almond shape, $4.32. These are like the perfect like Barbie nails. They're so beautiful. This is the 24 piece short square shaped, they call it the coral pink, but to me it doesn't look coral pink. It definitely looks like a Barbie pink. It was only $1.28. These are so cute. On to these right here. Again, these do look like almost like a cow print, but I don't think it is, but it does remind me of it. So there's 24 pieces. It's called the short square press-on nails. It is $1.52, and they are beautiful. These I thought were really edgy and cute. Got these are the 30-piece set short almond nails. It is only $1.42, and I just thought these were really fun. Got these red nails because I just thought red, of course, is classic and it's perfect for whatever season you're in, but especially for Christmas. I think these are really pretty for Christmas. There's 24 pieces short square shaped red nails. It is $1.28. Are you kidding me? And it does, all of them do come with a buffer, like a filer buffer, and the sticky, let me show you guys. These like sticky glue that you apply it to your nail, and then you stick it on your, you stick the nail on your finger, and it actually lasts a long time. I was actually skeptical about these the first time I tried it, but they stick on and they don't move. They don't go anywhere. The only tip I will give you guys is when you apply it, hold it down for like 30 seconds and then let it go, because if you just barely press it down and you don't let it kind of like stick in there, they will move. But once you stick it for like about 30 seconds, they do not move. You can like even do this and they're not going anywhere. These I am really looking forward to wearing. I think I've been saying that for all of them, but these are just so pretty as like the iridescent looking nails. They're so fun, and these were only $1.84. Oh my gosh. Of course, I also had to get these right here. They kind of look iridescent but white at the same time. And there's like 30 pieces of these long almond shaped nails. It is $1.12 in the beige almond. Just really nice simple nails, but really cute. Last but definitely not least, I also got these right here, which it has 150 pieces. It's the short square French style nails. It's $3.44, and you can paint these whatever color you want, but I really like these because they're a different shape. I wanted to get different shapes because I like to play around with different shaped nails. I usually like the almond shape, but I also like the coffin shape and sometimes square shape as well. So it just depends. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know which one was your favorite. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you're still watching. It is free. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this content. If you enjoy watching this video, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember, God bless. And as we say in Romanian, la revedere.